Let's do the 43 OG Hex strategy. Hey! What does his name even mean? 43 OG. All right, let's find out. What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘕, and I truly appreciate you for being here with me. So today we're going to talk about the 43 OG Hex Maxi strategy, kind of a long name. Shouts out to 43 OG. He's the one that came up with the strategy, and we're going to talk about how it's amazing and how it can make you money perpetually. But before that, I'm going to read some of the comments from my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. I wouldn't be as great as I am without you. I thank you so much. So the first comment is from Jeff Belbin. He says, thank you for the info, man. You're one of the most informative YouTubers. This is when I was telling you guys how Zen is probably going to make a 50x, and I was explaining why it's probably going to make a 50x. Watch that video right here. Thank you for that. I really appreciate you, Jeff. Thank you. The next one is from Nick. He says, founders with a face behind who they are, I guess, are active and have a tendency to do very well. People who hold longer will see huge returns. Yes, he's talking about how Jack Levine is the face of Zen, and he doesn't try to hide and putting his money where his mouth is. Yeah, so Zen is absolutely amazing. Can't wait to see what it does in the future. Then US says it dropped and it keeps on dropping. Yes, so Zen is dropping and it keeps on dropping. That's why I say I want you to mint Zen. Do not buy Zen, because Zen, although I think it's going to grow eventually in the long term, it's definitely going to 100x in a year or two from now. In the short term, it is going to continue to drop, especially now that crypto is in the bear market. Okay, so mint your Zen only. Do not buy it. Then we have a long comment from SB. He says, hi there. I minted Zen today, first time, but I don't see how much I got. How to check it? After the mint, it was saying estimated Zen was about 2.3 million at the bottom. Is that the number I got from one mint? I then added tokens into my MetaMask, but it still shows 0 Zen. Did I do something wrong? I used the Ethereum exchange. Then I told him that the fact that your estimate is 2 million Zen means that you won't be able to get your Zen, claim your mint, for a few months or maybe even longer. There should be a section in the mint page that says claim in X days. Then he says, yes, it was about 400 days. I manually typed it. I know. That's not the problem. I just wanted to understand how many I got in total. Then I replied to him, yeah, you never get it right away. You get it only after 400 days or whatever time frame you entered. Your estimate of 2 million Zen is what will be there for you when you claim it and put it in your MetaMask, but only after 400 days. And yes, so Zen, claiming Zen, minting Zen, all these things are kind of confusing. That's why I made a video about it. I had a tutorial about it. Watch that right here, where I explained it in detail to how it works, okay? So once you mint your Zen and you put a time frame on it, it's not going to appear into your MetaMask until after that time frame is over. And you do an Ethereum transaction to actually literally claim your tokens, to put them into your MetaMask. So let's get into the video. So there's many strategies of how to connect Hex and Pulsechain and PulseX with liquid loans and different houses or whatever. And this is the latest one that's I'm going to talk about, 43 OG Hex Max strategy, okay? It's very similar to the Haunted strategy. Is very similar to the Bonito strategy, the one that I created myself. Is very similar to all those strategies, but this one focuses mainly on Hex. Okay, so let's look at the beginning. It says start with Pulsechain, okay, and then connect to the Liquid Loans dApp and create a vote by depositing Pulsechain. Okay, so the thing about Liquid Loans is that it allows you to get your Pulsechain and extract the value out of your Pulsechain without actually having to sell your Pulsechain, okay? It does this through algorithmic ways, and as long as you're 110% collateralized, let's say that you put in $2,200, you're able to extract out $2,000 worth of USDL, right? You need to put in $2,200 worth of Pulsechain, and you can extract out $2,000 worth of USDL. USDL is a cryptocurrency that's pegged to the US dollar value, pretty much. Anyways, after it says connect to the Liquid Loans lab and create a vote by depositing in Pulsechain, it then says mint 10% of the value of your deposited Pulse in the USDL. This will then give you a 1,000% collateralized rate, okay? So if you put $10,000 into the vote, they want you to only extract out $1,000 in USDL. Me personally, I say to keep it to 300% collateralized because it allows you more firepower. It allows you to do more stuff. So for me, if I put in $6,000, I'm able to extract $2,000. But anyways, according to this strategy, they only want you to do 10%. They want you to be 1,000% collateralized. Then they say go to PulseX, which is the exchange that you're going to be allowed to do your PRC20 tokens. Go to PulseX and use the USDL to buy Hex coins, okay? Then stake your Hex tokens at go.hex.com, okay? This is the traditional Hex market that we use. I have many videos about how to stake your Hex and different things like that. Then after you stake your Hex, they want you to wait for Pulsechain to go up in value by 10%. This will then make you 1,100% collateralized, okay? So wait for Pulsechain to go up by 10%. Pulsechain is going to explode dramatically, right? Wait for it to go up by 10%. So this is going to happen many, many times. And then they want you, after that happens, they want you to mint more USDL, return yourself to 1,000% collateralization. Then go buy more Hex, okay? You will rinse and repeat, staying 1,000% collateralized forever and ever, okay? And that's the whole strategy. And I'm guessing that they want you to, in order to pay your bills, in order to buy your Lambo, they want you to take your profits from staking your Hex whenever you decide to claim your Hex, or whenever your Hex stake ends, right? Let's say that you stake 100,000 X, and then after the 1 year, that 100,000 X turns into 150,000 X. The extra 50,000 Hex that you get, you can use that to buy your Lambo and pay your bills and do all that different stuff. And I'm telling you this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Let's get this money.